Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a new for 2025 casting and it's called El Segundo Rally. If you don't know, there is a El Segundo Coupe or Coupe. So this is basically a rally version of that. Since it's new for 2025, I had to get one. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the El Segundo Rally out of its box. It's a fantasy casting, to be precise. It's not an actual car. But Hotwheels did a coupe or coupe version of this one, so they did a rally now. Since we're on the driver's side, let's talk about some things which makes it different from the standard version. You can see you've got more ground clearance, bigger gap. Also got these plastic wheel flares, which kind of saves the body from any scratches or anything. And the wheels are brown, not black, so it's been in dirt, I guess. And also on the body, you can see that it's designed to show some dirt. I like the paint job. It does have tinted yellow windows, so that's weird. Now let's come to the front. So up front, there are some nice details. If you look closely, you can see the headlamp are crossed off like most of the rally cars. You got those extra spot lamps here, and I think there are two on the top. And if you look, the bumper has been chopped off, and this now there is a metal skid plate, which and like a bull bar, a small bull bar in the front, so it stops you from getting like topple over, and also saves any stuff hitting the engine. And if I'm not wrong, this looks like fuel filler here. Also, something interesting, if you look at the windshield, you can see they have designed a small, pattern here to show where the wipers have worked, clean the windshield, because it's a rally car, right? These might be turn indicators, I'm not sure, but it does look somewhat like a older Porsche rally car, somewhat, from the front at least. Now coming to the passenger or co-driver side, looks almost identical. I did forget to mention the mud flaps front and back. They look very authentic rally type. And you can see vents here, front and back. Now coming to the back, there's a spare tire there. Looks really cool. Again, same metal bump. I don't know, it's a bump or something else, what it's called in the rear, but again, the treatment, so that doesn't, when it gets like this way, it doesn't damages anything. We did say mud flaps in air, brown tires, and you can also see the exhaust on both the sides. It's not a big spoiler, it's more of an aero one, I guess. You got that, and looks like a jerry can for more fuel, I guess, or is it bracings? I can't really explain that, but there is some design element here. This how it looks from the top. So overall, looks like a nice casting. Definitely a good one, and I think Hotwheels should do some like what they did of the Mini, based of the Mini. If you have seen like my recent videos, like the rally version, they look really good. So does this one. So that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.